everybody, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's decorate a cake. We are going to put this cream on the mold like this. Now remove it. After that we are going to remove all the shells and now make these round balls. Then we are going to put them on the cake. We are spreading this chocolate on the top and then we are also putting a blue shade like this. Now cover it. Then we are going to put all those balls on the top and look, it is ready. Let's decorate a cake. We are going to put this melted chocolate like this. Now make cut, bend it like this. Now we are going to open it and look, you will get beautiful pieces. We are going to decorate it, put them on the circle like this, and we are going to put more pieces and look, it is ready. After that we are going to put all of them on this chocolate cake. We are going to cover it from its sides and look, it is ready. Let's decorate this beautiful cake for kids. Start by covering it with white cream and then we are going to make a rough sketch. We are making a circle and then ears around it like this. After that, start covering it using this white cream and look, it is looking so pretty. And then we are going to mix some more colors, like we are making a purple cream here and mix the color evenly. After that, we are going to cover the entire cake like this. After that, we are going to add another cake piece on the end and make the full body of the cute little animal, and then we're going to make a round big eyes and paste it like this and look how pretty this is looking. Let's decorate this cupcake. We are going to cover it using pink cream like this. Now we are making beautiful petals on it like this. We're going to make a flower cupcake. So yeah, making these beautiful petals on it one after another, and look, it is almost ready now. Add more darker shade like this and look how pretty this is looking. Let's decorate this cupcake. We are going to make beautiful flowers on it like we are doing here. Cover it with white flowers. Look how we are making the petals and how realistic these flowers are looking. And look, it is almost ready now. You can cover and make as much flower as you can. Now we are also giving some shade in the center like this, and look, it is almost ready and look how pretty these cupcakes are looking. Thank you so much for watching this video.